our citizens for responding to those orders. Our goal is a safe, sane.
All right, you have been listening to a press conference with Governor Greg Abbott about how the state is responding to Hurricane Laura. Very, very crucial. He says that we have about 12 hours to get prepared. Time is of the essence. One thing, too, he already has declared a federal emergency declaration for 23 counties. Now, the disaster declaration includes 36 more counties. Among those counties, Fort Bend, Houston, and Montgomery. So what does that mean? That means that we will get more assistance. Also, Governor Abbott said that he spoke with the head of FEMA, and President Trump has authorized Category B funding for 23 counties, those already that he had declared a disaster declaration for. Those 23 counties, that means that they can have more funding to help people evacuate and to help all of the first responders there. So there's a lot of moving parts to this. We have that full press conference over on our website, CW39.com. I also thought that it was really important, he said, that this is not Harvey. Now today, third anniversary of Hurricane Harvey, and he quote, and I say quote, battered and bruised but not broken. We were left battered and bruised but not broken. So we will get through this together again on this anniversary, third anniversary of Hurricane Harvey. This, though, Laura is not going to be like Hurricane Harvey. He said that it's going to be more like Ike and Maria. We are concerned about the storm surge and also very concerned about the wind and the loss of power. So be prepared to lose power for a couple of days, especially because once this comes ashore, it's going to be going through highly wooded areas. So down trees means that then we could lose power. So be prepared for that. If you are in the mandatory evacuation zone or the voluntary evacuation zone, make sure that you do head west. There's going to be places that you can go in San Antonio, you can go in Austin, you can go in Dallas. We have all of that listed over on our website, CW39.com. The time now is 1:31. We will have another update coming to you at the top of the hour. In the meantime, let's go back to programming.